You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give.
Brown baller, take one. Action. That's a wrap. What's up, babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. First things first, before we get into this video, make sure y'all hit the red subscribe button down below. Join our team, come sit on our bench. We would love to have you here, of course. Also follow me on my social medias. They be on screen. If not, they be in the description box below. Y'all know how this goes. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Y'all, I just literally took like 5 hours out of my life. Wash, condition, a protein treatment, deep condition, blow dry, and trim these luscious locks that you see here today. I hope that all 2023 your natural hair is flourishing. Yes, we're wearing wigs, we're wearing weaves, we're wearing all these protective styles, but it means nothing if you're not actually taking care of your natural hair. So in today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how I do some blonde knotless braids. I put an emphasis on knotless because I'm still very much a beginner. And so like my knotless sometimes are knotless, and then sometimes I got a little bit of a knot, and then sometimes like it's just, we're a work in progress. I'm just gonna show you guys how I pre-part my hair. I'm just gonna pop back in from time to time and talk to y'all. Like if y'all seen these videos before, it's not really a tutorial. It's just more like a watch me do my hair type of thing. So like, let's watch. Okay, so my hair is all pre-parted everywhere. We look good. Honestly, that was the longest part. I didn't know if y'all could tell before, but I was definitely struggling with the parts. I'm not gonna lie to you. Normally, I would just part and be like, you know what, forget what they look like. But this time, I wanted to put some time into it. It was definitely time consuming. I got this hair from Amazon. It has like the ombre at the end. This hair is super duper soft. I will link the hair down below so you guys can check it out. Then I have this pre-mix, if you guys can see it. And it's from Princess Diamond. It's in cream and sugar, like I said. And then last but not least, I have this pre-layer, pre-stretch braiding hair from Expressions. It's Kanekalon hair as well from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna just use a mixture of all of these and hopefully it's enough hair for me. Also, before I go, I do have some jam and I also have some shine and jam. This is specifically for braiders. I have a little bit of both in here, so I'm gonna try to make this last as much. I probably won't put like that much in the back, but I want to save it for the parts that are really going to show. First of all, look at my little angel in the background. Here is what I have so far. She comes all the way down past. Now I will like cut the ends because they kind of scraggly or whatever, but for now we just trying to get baby on. I'm gonna go for just a couple more hours because it's already almost 1 o'clock. And I'm gonna go to bed and then I'll probably get up early in the morning and just continue to do it. I don't know if I'm gonna run out of hair or not. I'll have kind of a lot of hair, but we're gonna pray about it. I'm gonna put it in Jesus' hands. I may or may not run out of my little braiding gel. I did have the jam and I used the rest of that, but this is all I have of this, so I might have to go get some more in the morning as well. But hopefully we have just enough for this product. It is officially almost 3 o'clock in the morning. And I'm still not done, but I did get a little bit more done. Let me show you guys the back. I'm just gonna put this in a tie tonight and then finish it tomorrow morning. I'm tired and I gotta work out in the morning too, so this is how we're gonna go to bed tonight. I'm gonna put my bonnet on and we're gonna give it to Jesus. Praise God. I'll see y'all in the morning. Say goodnight, Stormy. Stormy. Good morning. Ding, 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 ding. Y'all, I have to get some tea in the morning. This is some lemon, ginger, and turmeric tea. In a cute little mug. It's like double insulated. I don't know if that's the right word, but I'm gonna use it. Good morning. This morning it is 10:13. Let me take off my bonnet so you guys can see my progress. I don't know how I feel about like my black hair showing, but it's kind of like an ombre effect or something like that. So we're just gonna let it go, praise God. There's nothing I can do about it. I don't know how to tuck, especially on myself. Like I can't see properly until I get, you know, closer to the front of my head. I literally just have my front section. I'm gonna start working on the sides and coming up. We're gonna make some progress today. I hope to be done hopefully by 1 o'clock. Like that's my plan. I have this hair here, so I'm just gonna separate it really quickly. I have 1 pack of the Princess Diamond hair left, which is the cream and sugar. It's like pre-blended, which is what I was trying to do with this kind of. I'm kind of liking the effect that this hair has, so if I don't use that, it's okay, I can save it. Might put some at the top and kind of give it like a highlight effect. I don't know, child. We're gonna just pray about it. By the way, I'm separating this hair into about this size pieces. Overall, I don't know exactly how many packs of hair I used the first time I did it, and I still had a lot of packs left over from the first time, so I'm just kind of relying on these packs to see me through to the end, which I have no doubt that they will. I thought I was gonna have to run to the beauty supply store, but I don't think that I'm going to have to, because I think this hair is gonna be just enough for me, just because I'm using like smaller pieces. Like I'm not using such large pieces, so I think it'll be okay. And I don't have one of those little rack things, so I'm just laying it across anything I can find. My lap. I got 2 thighs that they got a lot of space on them. So Just kind of laying it across my legs and then a little bit on the floor, a little bit on my bed. So just so I can move fast, just grab a piece and go. All right, y'all. So I just have this little section to go. I'm almost there. We almost at the finish line. I just have 3 more rows. It's currently 1:22. Your girl has not eaten. I'm very hungry. Stormy's back there. Stormy! Stormanda! Stormy! They're pretty long, which I really like a lot. I wasn't expecting them to be this small, though, if I'm being honest with you. But it's okay. It is Saturday, and I am doing my hair, child. Within the next hour, I think I'll be done. So hopefully by like 2:30 at the latest, we're gonna be done. The last 2 braids are here, and I'm just gonna do them for you guys on camera.
Chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Okay, so I didn't show you guys this on camera, but I wanted to show you me taking them down. I dipped my braids and I went ahead and dipped them with the flexi rods in. I didn't know if I wanted to wear them straight or if I wanted to have them curly. So I went ahead and did the curl, and you guys can see how it came out. They're still pretty long still. I didn't want to take away from the length, and that was the most important part, but let me just take these out. Let me take off my head rag. Ooh. Ooh. Easy. Ooh. They look good. I definitely could have left them straight, but it's cool. I'm gonna just cut off some straggly ends here that are on the bottom, as well as on this side. So here is the finished look. I hope that y'all like it. Let me show y'all the back so y'all can see how far it comes down on me. It comes down pretty far. Because it's curled, y'all can see it shrinks a little bit, but that's it. Okay, come on.